Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I am working on the XMAXX and it's time to fix that front differential. I got some new parts, sight unseen. I haven't actually opened this up to take a look in it to see what's actually broken, but I picked up 7790, which is the big input gear, big ring gear, which is 7792. Might have chipped a tooth. Now I just got to get this out, open it up. So I've taken out in the bumper. Right in here, there's a screw on either side, so I've taken that out. That opens this so you can pull that off. And then I've got the 4 out of the skid plate here, and now this whole thing should just lift right off, and it does. Cool. I just need to get the diff cover off. I've got a screw here, a screw there on either side, and 2 down there, and then this should pull off the front, and I'll be able to inspect and see what is broken. All the screws are out. I should be able to pull this right off. Yeah, it's full of brown grease. We'll just pull this out, wiggle it out. You just pull it out, but the drive shafts kind of hold it in place. So we got to wiggle it out with 2 hands, and then we'll inspect all the teeth and the gears and stuff and see what's actually broken in here. Inspecting for the damage, so it's fairly easy to get apart. I had to take the 4 screws out of the differential from this side. Problem is worn down teeth. It gets obvious once you start taking a closer look at it that these teeth are worn right down. Got to change this ring gear with this new one. This is the new 8S hardened one. I'm not sure if this one was swapped out at one point with the lower end 6S part, but these teeth are all chewed, so this is nice and new. And then the other piece, this one here, has a little bit less damage, but I'm going to swap it out anyway since I have them. This one here also, the tooth is beveled a little bit. That's why it was skipping and making that noise. So I'm going to put this in and this in. Quick and easy fix, so just got to grease it up. But while I've got it out and apart, I'm wondering if I should thicken up my diff fluid while I've got it out and open. None of these gears in here are broken that I can see, but I'll inspect them. You're swapping these over, be aware that there is this little gasket that sits inside, and this sat down in here, and this was over top. So just push this through from the other side, and then get this gasket out, clean it up, and I'll be able to transfer these 2 parts into the new gear because they are in good shape still. I've rebuilt the diff and I've got the new input or output gear ready to go. The new ring gear is in place. Everything's all greased up, as well as I changed the diff fluid. I went to a 500,000 weight diff fluid, and this is for the front diff. I just looked up the specs. Stock, they're saying it only had 10K in it. So I cleaned that out and I put 500,000 weight in the front. So we will soon find out if I like that, because that is a big change. So now all I got to do is put this new gear in here. And this should just pop down in, nice. And then all you gotta do is put your diff back in. Although this is a 2-hand job because you gotta feed your axles in at the same time and then pop it in. The diff is in. It's all greased up, it's all in, and it's diffing. It does diff properly, that's great. But it's a lot thicker than it was before. So now all I gotta do is close it up and throw the bumper on, and we can go bash this sucker. Yeah. And I put in 500,000 weight fluid in the front and 100,000 weight fluid in the rear, and let's go take it for its first drive with that setup. Yeah, grinding fixed. Still seems a little low on power. I'm having some difficulties with the batteries, which I will talk to you about shortly. Yeah, grinding fixed. Woohoo! Man, this thing's fast. Wider than my jump is, I think. Yeah, that's gonna be hard to hit. Oh. Self-righting fail. Oh, yeah. That was TSM that saved that one. Oh, missed. Hey, that could seriously hurt me. Yeah, freaking could. That was sweet. Oh, yeah. Oh, I still hope I got that one. That was friggin' awesome. Woohoo! Hell yeah. Ooh, lateral hit. Just a side swipe. I noticed that there is a big safety delay between reverse and forward. Probably have to try and save itself. I tried to do that manually. Didn't work. I think that these Proline tires are actually worse at the self-righting because they don't balloon as much. Oh, I messed that up. Full pin. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Definitely like these thicker diffs for sure. Oh, that one was perfect. Oh, missed. Oh, that's it. Just hit LVC already. Just hit low voltage on one of the cells already. Let me take it back inside and I'll talk to you on the bench about what problem I'm having with these Traxxas batteries. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this, hit that like button. If you're new around here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. And as always, thanks for watching.